In this video, I'll be telling you how to increase your sales on Amazon KDP by the type of topic you write on. Now, there are a lot of niches you can write on when it comes to Amazon KDP. We have finance, we have health, we have relationship, low contents book, we have children's story books. There are a lot of niches one can write on, and in each of these niches there are a lot of topics. Now, being able to write on a particular topic that will give you sales might be the problem a lot of people are facing, why they are not having sales. Like, you see a topic many people are writing on, you go and write on it, and you've not recorded any sales since you published that book. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how to select a topic in each of these niches that will give you sales. When it comes to niches, a lot of people, a lot of big authors have written on most of these niches, and you being a new person, if you're just coming up and you go and write on it, your book might not be seen because there are a lot of people that have written on that same topic, and the market might have been saturated. So when you write on that same topic, you might not likely have a record a sale. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can narrow down a topic in each of the niches. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Grow with Stacy. Here we'll talk about how to make money online using different means available and how to be self-sufficient, become your own boss. If you love this type of content, please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more videos like this. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to narrow down a niche. For instance, when you talk about health, I want to write on health as a niche. Now, on health, we have different topics. You can write, there are topics on diabetics, there are topics on eye care, there are topics on healthy living, there are topics on health fitness, there are topics on kidney problem, how to take care of your kidney. There are topics on how to take care of your health generally. And these topics are all under the health niche. So now, how do you choose a topic? And trust me, these topics I just mentioned, a lot of people have written on it. A lot of big authors have written on these topics. So how do you narrow down a particular topic in order to find a market for you so that your book will be seen? Now, I'm going to tell you how you can do that. First of all, let me give an instance before I go over to my laptop to show you practical steps on how to narrow down a niche. For instance, on health niche, we have topics like cookbook on diabetic patients. This is a broad topic, like it covers a lot. Diabetic patient can be any age group, can be from 20 years and above, 30 years and above, 50 years and above. And if you write your book on this topic, like cookbook for diabetic patient alone, it's going to be a broad topic. Like, many people have written on this topic, but there's a way you will narrow it down and you begin to see sales on your dashboard. For instance, you can say cookbook for diabetic patients 50 years and above. Now you're trying to narrow down this niche. You can say cookbook for diabetic patients 60 to 70 years. And when you search this particular topic, you see that many people have not written on it. But when you search on cookbook for diabetic patients, you can see like 20,000 people have written on this topic. But when you narrow it down, you can see that maybe few people have just written on it. And when you write on that, your book will be seen. Another instance is maybe talking about relationship. For instance, writing on how to find a right partner may be a very broad topic. Many people have written on that topic, but You can narrow this particular topic down by saying how to find a right partner during festive period. This is just an instance. You are trying to narrow it down to a specific period one can actually find a right partner. Or you can say how to find the right partner by reading books. You're trying to separate this particular topic from a broad topic. There are a lot of instances you can actually give for this. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm going to show you how you can narrow these topics down to find a less competitive market. Because if you write on a book that has a very broad topic, if you write on a topic that has a very high competitive market, many people have written on it, because you're a new person, you're just coming into Amazon, or you're not even long on Amazon KDP, you might find it difficult to make a sale. You might find it difficult to record a sale on that topic. So now I'll be going over to my laptop to show you practical step on how you can narrow down a niche. All right, guys, welcome back. I'll be showing you this on different niches. Like I said, you can actually do this using any topic of your choice. Like if you have a topic you want to write on and you want to narrow it down, this is how to do it. You can do this on any niche at all. I'll be talking on finance, health, relationship, and low content books. So for finance, for instance, you can search on how to become a millionaire. If you search for how to become a millionaire, you can see that the search result is above 1,000 on different topic on how to become a millionaire. The search result is even like a 1,000. But when you narrow it down to how to become a millionaire in your 30s, you can see that the number has reduced to almost like 8 to 10. And though it's not like a good criteria to write on this topic, like I've already made a video on the 2 factors to consider before you write on a particular topic to know whether that topic it has potential of giving you sales or not. So this particular one, if you narrow it down, you can see that the search result has reduced. That shows that the competition, as you're narrowing down a topic, the competition is also reducing. For under health, let's search a topic under health. Under health, for instance, when we search for easy fitness routine or workout routine or fitness routine for ladies, you can see different people have written on it. The search result is like up to 95. But when you narrow it down to maybe easy fitness routine for plus size ladies, the topic will also, the search result will come down. It shows that the competition will still not be much, because if you write on fitness routine for ladies, is a broad topic, but when you reduce it to narrow it down to a certain group of ladies, like plus size ladies, you will see that the research results will reduce. That means that the competition is not too much. That's how to narrow down a topic. You can actually do this on any topic at all, on any niche, on any topic. Let's check on relationship. Under relationship, you can say how to avoid how to deal with difficult people. You can see this is a very broad topic. You can actually narrow this topic down to find a market for yourself. As you can see, this search result is given up to above 700 and something. But if you narrow it down, you can actually see that the search result will reduce. This topic is very broad and a lot of competition here, because a lot of big authors have written on this. So for you to be able to narrow down a topic to find a market for yourself as a new person on Amazon, you can actually narrow it down to maybe say how to deal with difficult people at a workplace or your family. No, just narrow it down to a certain group of people, a certain place, or how to deal with difficult people in US, or how to deal with difficult people in Nigeria. Just try to narrow it down to find to separate it from a very broad topic. So let's check a topic on low content books. For instance, I'll be using word search book. When you write a word search book, maybe for children or for adults, you will see that the search result is so much. Like this one is giving me like 8,000. But for you to be able to find market for yourself, if you write on this particular topic, many people have written on, you may likely not record sales. It might record sales, but not much. But when you narrow it down to maybe word search book for love, you can see that the result has reduced to 200. Like if you write on this particular topic now, you will record sales, and also consider other factors. You can watch my previous video to see the two factors I mentioned, how to know a topic that has potentials of giving you sales. So you can actually do this using any topic. If you have a topic already that you want to write on and you want to know if this topic has a potential of giving you sales, you can watch my previous video and also combine with this. You can actually narrow down a topic to find market for yourself. Like if you're not recording sales, try to narrow down your topic. You can do this on any niche. That will be all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching.